Introducing tilapia skin. It's a great alternative treatment for severe burns in both animals and humans. After undergoing sterilization, it can be used as a skin graft. Skin grafting is a procedure that allows damaged or missing skin to be replaced by healthy skin. Of course, it's best if the healthy skin can be harvested from the same organism to reduce the possibility of the graft being rejected by the body's immune system and failing. But when this isn't possible, the skin donor can even be a member of a completely different species. These tilapia skin grafts are sutured in place and adhere to the underlying tissue. They stay alive for up to 2 weeks, allowing enough time for the underlying skin to heal. They're also rich in collagen and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, prevent infection, and accelerate healing. The major advantage of using tilapia skin grafts instead of conventional bandaging is that it usually doesn't need to be changed every couple of days and can be left on until it peels off on its own. Since fish skin is prone to drying out, it can be covered with a hydrogel wound dressing to keep the graft nice and moist. So next time a skin graft looks fishy to you, know that it actually might be a fish skin xenograft.